Hey guys, welcome to Simply Trains, and in today's video, we are going to be riding on the Conway Scenic Railroad Santa Express, where we'll get to ride down to Santa's workshop and reindeer barn, along with getting to meet him along the way. But first, let's get some breakfast. The donuts have been acquired.
Chocolate frosted is the best in my opinion.
Now that we got that over with, let's dive right in. Okay guys, so we also got a nice little goodie bag along with our ride. Here's what's inside. First we have a little coloring book. Next we have a cool little sugar cookie. Crayons for the coloring book. So that's all in this bag particularly, but I also had the option to get milk. I just didn't really want milk today, so I'll send you guys to the train. Okay guys, so we are now seated, as you can see, and as for the seats themselves, they're pretty comfortable. The leg room is adequate for two people because it's in a 2x2 seat configuration. And yeah, so as far as seats go, it's actually kind of more comfortable as far as coach class goes. A little travel tip for when you're traveling on the Santa Express: sit on the side of the train facing away from the station, because if it weren't such a cloudy day, this is where the best views would be. Now let's get going. So as you guys just saw, we are now at Santa's workshop. Unfortunately, because of the rain, we aren't allowed to get off because the platform is really slippery. But typically, the reindeer barn, we would be able to get off, look around the reindeer barn, get to see Santa's workshop. It would be a really fun time. But again, because of the rain, we aren't allowed to get off. However, I heard that Santa's gonna be on the train today. So let's go to that. Okay guys, so we are now back at the station, as you just saw, and I have to say, this was just an amazing experience overall. I mean, yes, it was rainy, so we couldn't get off and take a look inside of Santa's workshop and all that, but overall, I think they did a great job accommodating for the not-so-great weather. And overall, I think they just did an amazing job. So definitely a 5 stars, like 100% would recommend to anyone who was ever coming up to North Conway. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you want to see the time when I rode the Conway Scenic Railroad's Mountaineer, click up here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hello.